Today I have the May the 4th Be With You haul from Lego Shop at Home. Now I ordered it actually on the 30th of April because you could get in a few days early for VIP, and I just got it like this morning, the 13th. It took that long to get it out of the warehouse here in Canada, so things were late, but it was a good haul. Let's go see it now, shall we? So here's our box. We just gonna open this up now. Already took the tape off it, and this is our May the 4th haul. We got it on Friday the 13th. Yes, it took the warehouse that long to dispatch it. Took 2 days to get here, but I'm telling you, they're very, very slow. So anyway, first one, the Razer Crest 75292. That's that set that we got. And then we ordered the Mandalorian Armor's Forge set 75319, specifically for her, him, and well, the set itself. Love that brick. It's probably a sticker though. Knowing Lego, it's going to be a sticker. And we also ordered a key tag, or bag tag, I guess you would call it, because it's not really keychain, but the Mandalorian and Grogu, just to top us up over the limit so that we could get the freebies. That's probably why we really made this order. So we got the 30495 ATST from Hoth. That'll look great down on the Hoth display. And the thing that everybody's complaining about, the loose box of the Beskar keychain, why it's not in a bag or something, or wrapped up. It is a heavy metal type of keychain. It is solid metal, so that is pretty cool. I'm not sure why they don't bag it. I mean, or even wrap it up. They've wrapped up minifig keychains for me before, so that's what's bizarre. And then we've got the 40531 May deal this year was the Lars family Homestead kitchen. So it looks okay. You know, mainly for her, mainly for the aunt. The rest of the kitchen, well, I mean, it is what it is, right? I'm not going to complain about it because it was free. So we're going to build them and go from there.